Welcome brick fans all over the world to episode number 3 of my Start.io tutorial. During the third episode, I am going to show you the basic functions in detail. For this video, I am using software version 2.24.12. You can find the link to the software in the video description. On the left panel, you can see the building palette, containing all usable bricks. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can choose between Main, New Parts, Custom Parts, the bricks of the Bricklink designer programs, the Bricklink Common palette, and the Lego Ideas palette. Next to that, you can create a new palette by clicking on Add Palette. Furthermore, you can configure custom palettes by clicking on Config. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can also import the bricks of official Lego sets. For example, let's import set number 10265, the Ford Mustang. Before importing the bricks, you can choose between in Scene or as palette. If you choose in Scene, the bricks will be shown on the main window. If you choose as palette, the bricks will only be visible in the building palette on the left. Okay. If you are searching for a specific brick, you can choose between shapes or BL categories. By clicking on shapes, you can find bricks, slopes, or plates, for example. If you click on brick, you can see all bricks. If you click on slope, you can see all slopes and so on. By clicking on BL categories, the bricks are sorted by categories. For example, animal or baseplate. Underneath, you can find the search bar to search for a specific brick. Here you can search for the name, category, or the number of the brick you are looking for. For example, let's search a 1x4 brick. You can write 1x4 brick, or you can also write the number of the brick. In this case, 3010. And afterwards, you can see the results on the bottom left corner. Okay, let's start building. If you know which brick you want to use, just click on the brick. Afterwards, the brick is selected and you can move the brick to the position you want. By clicking again on the brick is fixed in position. On the bottom, you can see the part number, the description, the price on Bricklink, and the size of the brick. To add another brick, just click on this brick and attach this brick to the other brick. To change the view, you have different options. The first option is to click and hold the right button of your mouse. By moving the mouse, you can change the view. To zoom in and out, you can use the mouse wheel. The second option is to click on the cube symbol. There you can choose between the views. For example, free view, front view, back view, left view, right view, bottom view, and top view. The third option is to click on the tab View. There you can zoom in, zoom out, and zoom to fit. Next to that, you can choose between different orientations. For example, perspective, front, back, left, right, top, bottom, and orthogonal. Furthermore, you can add another viewport by clicking on Add Viewport. If you want to delete this viewport again, select the viewport, click on View, Viewport, and Delete Viewport. While building, it is also practical to use the automatic part snapping and the collision detection. The automatic part snapping ensures that all bricks are connected correctly and easily. The collision detection shows if bricks are pushed into each other. By clicking on the colored symbols, you can turn those functions off. Let's turn off the automatic part snapping first. When the function is off, it is really difficult to place the bricks correctly, as you can see. If the bricks are pushed into each other and the collision detection is active, the bricks become transparent. If we also turn off the collision detection, the bricks no longer become transparent, and it's really difficult to detect a collision. And that's why I suggest to use the automatic part snapping and the collision detection as well. On the right panel, you can see the color palette. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can open the available colors. There you can search manually for the desired color, or you can use the search bar. For example, let's search for the color black. Therefore, just write black in the search bar. Afterwards, click on black. If you want to add this color to your favorite colors, just click on plus. If you want to remove this color again, right-click on the color and click on remove. If you click on the filter symbol, you can switch on filters. There you can choose between two filters. Filter number 1, only the Bricklink colors are available, and filter number 2, you can hide non-existing colors in a selected building palette. If you want to use a color which has already been used in your model and you want to identify this color, you can use the pipette. Therefore, click on the pipette symbol and click on the brick with the color you want to use. After doing this, you can find the color in the drop-down menu. If you want to paint bricks which are already part of your model, you can use the paint roller. For example, let's paint some bricks in red. Therefore, we have to select the color red first. Then click on the paint roller and finally on the bricks we want to paint. Under the favorite colors, you can find the content colors. Those colors have already been used somewhere in your model. On the right panel, you can also see the step list. At the beginning of the creation process, all bricks are combined in step number 1. To create another building step, click on Add Step. Afterwards, you can select and move the bricks to the step you want. If you want to delete a specific step, just click on the trash symbol. The creation of steps is a good preparation if you want to generate a building instruction for your model. But the creation of steps cannot only be performed by using the step list. You can also create these steps in the step editor of the instruction maker. How to use the instruction maker is going to be demonstrated in another video. Next to the step list, there is the color validator. The color validator shows if the chosen colors are available in Bricklink. Okay, that was the third video showing you the basic functions of stud.io. In the next videos, I am going to explain other functions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.